So why use Parrot Finance and what makes it unique? You're probably coming to Solana from Ethereum and wondering what all the hoopla surrounding Parrot is all about. And let me tell you something, you've come to the right place. Similar to how MakerDAO works on Ethereum, users of the platform are able to deposit various big-name crypto assets such as Solana and USDC as collateral to mint over-collateralized Pi, which is basically Parrot's stablecoin version of DAI. But other than the low fees and breakneck transaction speeds, you're probably not that impressed yet, are you? Well, here comes the exciting part. Parrot will let you bridge over your Ethereum liquidity provider tokens from dexes such as Sushi and interest-bearing tokens from lending protocols such as Aave to Solana, and will let you use those tokens as collateral to mint Pi. Once you mint Pi, you can use it to buy additional assets to maximize your yield. There are also some additional exciting features that we'll be rolling out in the future, but I'll save that for another video. Now what are you waiting for? It's time for you to become a Parrot and take flight.